We will guide you through how to convert JPG image to vector in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop and open the JPG image you want to convert into a vector-style shape. Go to the Layers panel and make sure the padlock is removed from the original image layer. Next, duplicate the original image layer to keep a backup of the JPG in case you need to return to the original version later. Select either the Object Selection tool or the Magic Wand tool, depending on the type of image and how easily the subject can be separated from its background. Use the Selected tool to select the main subject or graphic that you want to convert, checking the selection carefully to make sure the important parts are included. After the selection is ready, open the Paths panel so you can turn the pixel-based selection into a work path. Click Make Work Path from Selection to have Photoshop generate a path that follows the edges of the selected graphic. Check the generated path around the selected graphic and look for areas where the path does not follow the original shape accurately or contains unnecessary points. Then select the Direct Selection tool and refine the anchor points where necessary, adjusting corners and curves until the path follows the graphic cleanly and accurately. Once the path is ready, go to Layer, choose New Fill Layer, and then select Solid Color to create a new fill layer that can use the path as a vector-style shape or mask. Then choose the desired color and confirm the new fill. Next, hide the original JPG layer and inspect the new shape on its own, checking that the edges look clean and that the important details of the original graphic have been represented properly. If everything looks correct, save the file as a Photoshop document or PSD so the vector path and shape information are preserved and remain available for further editing.